Hey parents, are you struggling to manage your kids' screen time effectively? Today, let's learn about how to use AirDroid Parental Control Web to set device downtime for kids, with no installation on parents' end. First, visit webparent airdroid.com on your device and log into your AirDroid account. Next, on your kid's device, open a browser and go to kids.airdroid.at to download AirDroid Kids. Follow the on-screen prompts to bind the devices and grant the necessary permissions. Once paired, you'll be taken to the AirDroid Parental Control Web dashboard. From the left side menu, under Device Supervision, select Downtime. Click Add Schedule to set up a smart downtime schedule. Name your downtime. Choose Start and End times. And decide if you want the schedule to repeat daily or vary across different days. During downtime, only device default apps and those you allow will be accessible, gently reminding your child to step away from the screen. Of course, your child can request for extra screen time, and you'll be notified to approve or deny. That's it. Start using AirDroid Parental Control Web today and take control of screen time, fostering healthier habits for your kids. If you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.